Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation about shopping at the supermarket. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills in a natural and fun way. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Have you ever gone to the supermarket and bought too many things? Or maybe you went to buy one thing, but came home with 10 things? Don't worry, that happens to many people. Today, Cindy and Dave are going to the supermarket. But as usual, Dave makes some funny mistakes. Hey Dave, what are you doing today?
Hi, Cindy. Today I am going to the supermarket.
Oh, nice. What do you need to buy?
I need to buy milk, eggs, and bread.
That sounds simple.
Yes, but every time I go shopping, I buy too many things.
That happens to me too.
Yes, supermarkets are dangerous places
Dangerous? Why dangerous?
because everything looks delicious.
That is very true. So, Cindy, do you like shopping? Yes, I like shopping, but not when the supermarket is crowded.
Oh yes, crowded supermarkets make me tired.
Do you usually go shopping alone or with your girlfriend?
Most of the time I go with my girlfriend.
That sounds fun.
Yes, but sometimes we argue about what to buy.
What do you argue about?
She likes healthy food, but I like snacks.
That sounds like a common problem.
Yes, she always says, buy vegetables.
And what do you say?
I say, let's buy chocolate instead.
That is very true.
Yes, but she usually wins the argument.
That sounds fair. Healthy food is important.
Yes, but chocolate makes life happier.
That is a funny idea. So today we are going to the supermarket together. That sounds like a good plan.
Yes, but I am worried
Worried? Why?
because I always forget something.
Oh no, do you have a shopping list?
Yes, but sometimes I forget the list at home.
That is very funny.
Yes, one time I went shopping without a list.
What happened?
I forgot to buy milk, but I bought ice cream.
That sounds like you.
Yes, ice cream is hard to ignore.
So what time are you going to the supermarket today?
Around 5 p.m.
That might be crowded.
Yes, many people shop after work.
Do you like big supermarkets or small ones?
I like big supermarkets because they have more choices.
That makes sense.
Yes, but sometimes I walk too much and feel tired.
Shopping is also exercise.
Yes, shopping is my weekend workout.
That is very funny. So, Cindy, do you ever buy things you don't need?
Yes, sometimes I buy snacks even when I don't need them.
Snacks are very dangerous.
Yes, they always call my name.
Mine too. So, Dave, when you arrive at the supermarket, what do you do first?
The first thing I do is grab a shopping cart.
That sounds like a good start.
Yes, but sometimes I take the wrong cart.
The wrong cart? What do you mean?
One time I took someone else's cart by mistake.
Oh no, that sounds embarrassing.
Yes, the other person looked at me very seriously.
What did you say?
I said, "Sorry, this cart looked friendly."
That is very funny.
Yes. After that, I always check the cart carefully.
So after getting the cart, where do you go next?
I usually go to the fruit section first.
Oh, nice. Do you like fruits?
Yes, especially bananas and apples.
That sounds healthy.
Yes. My girlfriend always tells me to eat more fruit.
Girlfriends always care about health.
Yes. She always says, eat fruits, not candy.
That sounds familiar.
So, when I choose fruits, I try to pick the best ones.
How do you choose good fruits?
I check if they look fresh and colorful.
That sounds smart.
Yes. But sometimes I still make mistakes.
Really? What kind of mistakes?
One time I bought bananas that were too green.
Oh no, that means they were not ready to eat.
Yes. I had to wait many days.
That must be frustrating.
Yes. I kept looking at the bananas every day.
That is so funny.
Yes. Waiting for bananas to turn yellow feels very slow.
After fruits, where do you go next?
I go to the snack section.
Of course you do.
Yes. Snacks always catch my attention.
What kind of snacks do you like?
I like chips and chocolate.
That sounds delicious, but not very healthy.
Yes. That is why my girlfriend watches me carefully.
Does she stop you from buying snacks?
Yes. Sometimes she takes the snacks out of my cart.
That is very funny.
Yes. She says, "No snacks today."
And what do you say?
I say, "Just one snack, please."
That sounds like a negotiation.
Yes. Shopping with her feels like a small battle.
That is funny but cute.
Yes. Sometimes I win, sometimes she wins.
Have you ever made a mistake with prices?
Oh, yes.
One time I made a very funny mistake. Really? Tell me what happened.
I saw a chocolate bar with a very low price.
That sounds lucky.
Yes. I was very excited.
So what did you do?
I put 5 chocolate bars into my cart.
5 bars? That is a lot.
Yes. But later I realized something.
What happened?
The price was for one small candy, not the big chocolate.
Oh no, that is very funny.
Yes. I felt very embarrassed at the checkout.
Did your girlfriend laugh?
Yes. She laughed so loudly.
That sounds like a funny memory.
Yes. Now she always checks the price for me.
That is very helpful.
Yes. Without her, I would spend too much money.
That sounds true.
Yes. Shopping with a girlfriend saves money.
So, Dave, after buying fruits and snacks, where do you go next?
After that, I usually go to the drink section.
Oh, nice. What kind of drinks do you like?
I like juice and soda.
Soda again? That is not very healthy.
I know, but soda tastes so good.
Do you also buy water?
Yes, my girlfriend always tells me to buy water.
She sounds very responsible.
Yes, she says, drink more water, Dave.
That is good advice.
Yes, sometimes I forget to drink enough water.
After drinks, where do you go?
Then I go to the meat section.
Oh, do you cook meat at home?
Yes, sometimes we cook chicken or beef.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, but sometimes I choose the wrong meat.
Really? What happened?
One time I bought very spicy chicken by mistake.
Oh no, did you like it?
No, it was too spicy for me.
That must be difficult to eat.
Yes, I drank a lot of water that day.
That is funny.
Yes, my girlfriend laughed when she saw my face.
I can imagine that.
After choosing drinks and meat, we usually go to the checkout counter.
Oh yes, checkout time can be stressful.
Yes, especially when the line is very long.
Do you feel bored when waiting in line?
Yes, sometimes I look at my phone.
That sounds normal.
Yes, but sometimes funny things happen at checkout.
Oh really? Like what?
One time, the cashier scanned my items very quickly.
That sounds efficient.
Yes, but suddenly something funny happened.
What happened?
The cashier scanned the same item twice.
Oh no, did you notice?
Yes, I looked at the screen and saw 2 chocolates.
That sounds like extra chocolate.
Yes, but I had only 1 chocolate.
Did you tell the cashier?
Yes, I said, "Excuse me, I think there is a mistake."
That sounds polite.
Yes, the cashier checked and said sorry.
That's good service.
Yes, mistakes happen sometimes.
Have you ever had a payment problem?
Oh yes, one time my card didn't work.
Oh no, that sounds stressful.
Yes, I tried to pay, but the machine said error.
That must be embarrassing.
Yes, many people were waiting behind me.
What did you do?
I tried again, but it still didn't work.
Oh no, that sounds scary.
Yes, I felt very nervous.
Did your girlfriend help you?
Yes, she paid with her card.
That is very helpful.
Yes, I said thank you. You saved me.
That is so funny.
Yes, after that, I always carry cash.
That sounds like a smart idea.
Yes, learning from mistakes is important.
After paying, what do you do next?
We pack our bags and prepare to go home.
That sounds like the final step.
Yes,
but carrying bags can be hard.
Especially when you buy too many things.
Yes, my arms feel very tired.
That sounds like good exercise.
Yes, supermarket shopping is a workout.
That sounds normal.
Yes, but sometimes the bags are very heavy.
That happens when you buy too many snacks.
Yes, snacks make the bags heavier.
Do you carry all the bags yourself?
Sometimes I try, but my girlfriend usually helps me.
That sounds helpful.
Yes, but sometimes I pretend to be strong.
Pretend to be strong?
Yes, I say, don't worry, I can carry everything.
And can you really carry everything?
Not always. Sometimes my arms feel like jelly.
That is very funny.
Yes. After putting the bags into the car, we drive home.
That sounds relaxing after shopping.
Yes. But sometimes we forget something important.
Oh no! What kind of things do you forget?
One time we forgot to buy milk.
Oh no, milk is very important.
Yes. We had cereal, but no milk.
That sounds like a small disaster.
Yes. We had to eat dry cereal.
That must taste strange.
Yes. It was very crunchy and dry.
After arriving home, what do you usually do first?
First, we carry the bags into the kitchen.
That sounds like a lot of work.
Yes. Unpacking takes time.
Do you help unpack everything?
Yes. But sometimes I eat snacks while unpacking.
That sounds funny.
Yes. I open one snack and start eating immediately.
Does your girlfriend get angry?
Yes. She says, wait until dinner.
That sounds familiar.
Yes. But snacks are very hard to resist.
After unpacking, where do you put the food?
We put fruits in the fridge and snacks in the cupboard.
That sounds organized.
Yes. My girlfriend likes everything to be neat.
That sounds like a good habit.
Yes. Without her, my kitchen would be messy.
That sounds honest.
Yes. She always checks everything carefully.
Have you ever lost something after shopping?
Oh, yes. One time we lost chocolate.
Lost chocolate? That sounds serious.
Yes. We couldn't find it anywhere.
What happened next?
Later, we found it in the wrong bag.
That sounds like a happy ending.
Yes. Finding chocolate made my day better.
Chocolate makes everyone happy.
Yes. Especially after a long shopping trip.
That sounds true.
Yes. Life is more fun when we laugh together.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed this fun shopping conversation.
Keep practicing your English every day.
Listening regularly will help you improve faster.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
Tell us what you usually buy at the supermarket.
We love reading your comments.
See you in the next lesson.
Take care.
Goodbye, everyone.